Hi guys! Few more days and it's already Amazon Prime Day. So I thought I would make a video for you guys about my Amazon wishlist. Obviously, I don't have the products with me, so I'm just gonna show you some pictures and clips of the things I want and say a few words of why they are on my list. First on my list is string lights, mainly for room decorations, and since it's almost holiday season, I can also use it to decorate my Christmas tree. Next is this phone stand. I always watch videos on my phone, so I think it makes it easier for me not to hold my phone all the time. Third on my list is this keyboard and mouse combo. I like that the keyboard has round keys and both of them are wireless. Next is this flash drive. I hate it when iCloud tells me that my phone storage is full, so I think this one will help me free up space from my phone. It's 128GB, compatible with Android, PC, and iOS. Next is this clothes steamer. This one does the same job as flat iron, but quicker and time saver. It's also portable, so you can bring it when you are traveling. Next is this portable blender. I like the idea that you can just make your own smoothie while in the car, at work, going on a picnic, or anywhere. It comes with ice cube tray and funnel, and it's also rechargeable. Next is this insulated bento box. I love that it has a lot of compartments, perfect for picnic, travels, or even for work. Now, number 8 on my list is this shoe organizer that I can place under my bed since I only have small space in my room. Number 9, multi-purpose portable cleaner. So guys, I've seen a lot of videos using this cleaner in cleaning their car seats and couch. And it just looks so satisfying to get all those dirt, so I want to try it too. Next is this full-length golden mirror. It sucks when you don't have a full-length mirror in your room and you don't know if you look good or not with what you are wearing. Next is these two bedside tables. Look how aesthetic the tables are. Next is this ladder shelf that I think great for my plants and candles. And lastly, this glass planter. I have plant cuttings, so I think they would look prettier with this planter. And you can also use this one as your flower vase. So I guess that's it. Those are the things on my wish list for Prime Day. What about you guys? What are the things on your wish list? Comment down below.